No glue, no spray, completely glueless. Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how I wear my wigs completely glueless. Anytime I don't want to put on any glue, let's say you just got a wig like 5x5 and things like that. So this is a water wave unit I got from Icy Hair on TikTok. I'll be linking it at the description. If you're in the UK, you can shop it. So first thing first, I tint the lace of the hair. I'm supposed to use my tinting lace, my tinting mousse or tinting spray, but I used my what's that called, my bronzer. What I was using here is my bronzer to do it. So yeah, next thing, that adjustable band at the back is your best friend. That is what will help you size up your wig to your size. You can see how fitted the wig is on me, because when it's fitted, that is number one sign that you are getting a glueless wig, right? So yeah, but once it's done, I just noticed that I can still see the white hash line around, and that is not what you want. So let's fix that. What I do with that is to use the tinting mousse this time around. So tinting mousse actually do a better job than the whole bronzer thing and all of that, because bronzer, when you use, let's say, a glue on it, it makes it tacky and it just has a lot of debris on your lace once you remove it. But if it were to be a tinting lace or tinting mousse, you won't have all of those on your hair. So I just noticed that recently, and honestly I decided to share the update with you guys, because I'll be using tinting mousse and tinting spray from now onwards. I will ditch the bronzers and stuff like that. So yeah, I just applied the bronzer all through and then, tied it down. Yeah, after brushing. The only thing with these tinting mousse is they will just make a mess. So what, I should have used a brush to apply it instead of applying it directly. You can see the kind of mess it made on my face, stuff like that. So, but you get the point. Is when you use the tinting mousse, it just takes away the hash line and you just tie it down a bit. You have yourself a melted lace. It might not be perfectly demonstrated in this video because, I don't know, as the day goes by, I upgrade on my skill, and I will always share the update with you guys. So yeah, this is my favorite part. When you want to use your angle brush to make a pattern, to make your pattern prominent, that is so stressful. These days what I use is to use this tail comb, apply the foundation and my concealer on it and just rub it on the line straight. This is very visible if you are having a center pattern, but if it's to be a C cut, no, you can't really do it with this one. You have to use that angle brush you use for your brows. So yes, can you see how simple that is? Let me know in the comments if you've learned one or two, why I allow you to watch the rest of the video. And I'll be uploading a video on how to do PC cut wig, another video on how to melt your lace with spray alone without the glue. The glues take away the edges, and honestly I'm not the glue girl unless I have someone who specifically mentioned that they want to use glue to get their installs by me. So yes guys, watch to the end, enjoy. Mwah. Please drop me a sweet comment, like, share, subscribe for more detailed tutorials like this.